A beanie?
What's that? A hat? Crazy, funky, junky hat. Overslept, hair unsightly, trying to look like Keira Knightley. We've been there, we've done that. We see right through your funky hat.
Hello, my name is Ryan, and I'm doing hat essay. Students should be allowed to wear hats at Covington, as long as people do not wear hats that are offensive or inappropriate. I think students agree because 21 out of 25 classmates say we should be able to wear hats. Hats are not such a bad thing. Hats can be used as a cover sheet. They can make a person look taller. They can be a conversation piece for kids who have finished their classwork. And when you go outside for gym or recess, hats can help keep the sun out of your eyes and prevent you from getting sunburned. Kids are often self-conscious about the way they look, especially at school. Kids are too rushed in the morning and often go to school with bad hair. Wear a hat, and it doesn't really matter if you have bad hair, because then you just wear a hat. Same when you get a bad haircut, because then you just wear a hat. A hat allows you to change your look if you don't like your hair. I hope you liked my essay.
A beanie?
What's that? A hat? Crazy, funky, junky hat. Overslept, hair unsightly, trying to look like Keira Knightley. We've been there, we've done that. We see right through your funky hat.
A cowboy hat?